I tried 5 popular teeth whitening hacks. Here's what happened. Hi everyone! Have you ever wondered if those viral teeth whitening hacks on social media actually work, or are they just a waste of time and effort? Today, I'm putting 5 of the most talked about teeth whitening methods to the test. From DIY tricks like baking soda and lemon juice to trendy options like activated charcoal, I'll walk you through each method, share the results, and let you know whether they're worth a try or a major no-go. Stick around till the end because not only will I share my shocking before and after results, but I'll also crown the most effective hack and reveal the one you should absolutely avoid. Ready? Let's dive into it. Teeth whitening has become a massive obsession lately, understandably so. A bright white smile can boost your confidence and leave a lasting impression. But professional teeth whitening can be pricey, which is why so many people turn to DIY remedies or viral hacks they see online. The question is, are these hacks safe and effective, or could they even harm your teeth in the long run? That's exactly what we're here to find out. Before jumping into the experiments, I consulted dental experts to make sure these methods wouldn't do major damage to my teeth. A quick note, while some hacks might seem harmless, always do your research and when in doubt, talk to a professional. Let's now walk through the 5 hacks I tested. To find out what works and what doesn't, I tested these 5 popular whitening hacks. Baking soda, a common DIY remedy for teeth whitening. Lemon juice, another buzzworthy yet controversial choice. Activated charcoal, a trendy all-natural toothpaste substitute. Over-the-counter whitening strips, a tried-and-true option you see in stores. Oil pulling with coconut oil, a more gradual, holistic approach rooted in ancient practices. Before beginning the experiment, I documented the current state of my teeth with close-up before visuals so we could clearly evaluate any changes. Now let's dive into each method, starting with one you've probably already seen in countless DIY tutorials. For this method, I mixed baking soda with a little water to create a paste, then gently brushed it onto my teeth for 2 minutes. Claims: baking soda is known to be mildly abrasive, which can help remove surface stains on teeth. It also controls bacteria in the mouth, keeping it fresh and clean. Results: after the first try, I did notice my teeth felt cleaner and slightly shinier. However, I didn't see a dramatic whitening effect right away. Experts warn that overuse of baking soda can wear down enamel, so I recommend using it sparingly, maybe once or twice a week. For this method, I applied freshly squeezed lemon juice to my teeth and let it sit for about a minute before rinsing it off. Claims: lemon juice is believed to naturally whiten teeth due to its acidic properties, which break down stains. Results: at first, I thought this hack would work miracles because of how much lemon juice is hyped up, but I didn't see much of a difference. Instead, my teeth felt sensitive right away. This hack can actually be quite harmful. The high acidity can erode enamel, and once enamel is gone, there's no getting it back. For me, this was a red flag, and I wouldn't recommend it. For this test, I dipped a damp toothbrush in powdered activated charcoal and brushed my teeth for a few minutes. Claims: activated charcoal is said to bind with toxins and stains on teeth, helping to lift discoloration. Results: after using this, my teeth did feel smoother, and there was a slight whitening effect. However, the gritty texture concerned me. It felt a little too abrasive. Dental professionals warn against using this frequently, as it could scratch the enamel over time. While the results were noticeable, I'd say proceed with caution and only use it occasionally. For this method, I tried popular over-the-counter whitening strips, following the instructions to wear them for 30 minutes. Claims: these strips contain hydrogen peroxide or other whitening agents that penetrate enamel to remove deeper stains. Results: I was impressed. After just one use, I saw a noticeable difference. My teeth looked visibly whiter. The process was easy and mess-free, and my teeth didn't feel sensitive afterward. While these strips are effective, the results vary between brands, and prolonged use can cause enamel erosion or gum irritation. For this test, I swished a tablespoon of coconut oil in my mouth for about 15-20 minutes. Claims: oil pulling is an ancient practice believed to improve oral health by reducing bacteria and gradually whitening teeth. Results: this method requires patience over time. After just one test, I didn't see noticeable whitening results, but I did feel that my mouth was fresher and overall cleaner. If you're looking for a more holistic and gentle approach, this could help over time, but don't expect immediate results. Best hack: whitening strips. The results were the most dramatic in the shortest amount of time with minimal effort. Baking soda, a decent budget-friendly alternative for occasional use. Activated charcoal, effective to some extent, but needs to be used cautiously to avoid damage to enamel. Oil pulling, great for maintaining oral hygiene, but it's not a quick solution for whitening. Worst hack: lemon juice. This was a total flop. The risks of enamel erosion far outweigh any potential benefits, so I strongly recommend avoiding this one altogether. While some of the hacks provided results, it's important to note the potential risks. Many DIY methods, including baking soda and charcoal, work primarily through abrasion, which can eventually weaken your enamel. Others, like lemon juice, are outright harmful because of acidity. Once your enamel is damaged, it can't regenerate, which could lead to sensitivity and increased risk of cavities. For safe, long-term results, I recommend using professional whitening treatments or products specifically designed for dental use, like whitening strips or toothpaste approved by dentists.
Based on my experience, whitening strips were hands down the most effective and safest option. They delivered visible results in a short amount of time without compromising the health of my teeth. If you're on a budget, baking soda can be a helpful occasional remedy, but be mindful of overuse.
For those looking to maintain oral health beyond whitening, oil pulling can be a great addition to your daily routine, although it's not a whitening miracle. Now it's your turn. What teeth whitening methods have you tried? Did they work for you, or did they turn out to be fails? Feel free to share your experiences in the comments section, or let me know which hack you dare to try from this list. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more fun and educational content, and share this video with someone who's curious about whitening their teeth. Thanks for watching. Remember to take care of your teeth. They're the only ones you've got, and a confident smile is always in style. Stay tuned for more experiments and hacks coming your way. See you next time.